XLM bulls attempt to break downturn and push Stellar price to $0.40. XLM price sees a bullish nudge in the Asian trading session today. Stellar has increased its buy-side volume even before prices reached buy zone support. Expect bulls to build momentum for next week, bringing XLM price back on the front foot. Stellar price, XLM, bulls are impatient and have already started buying at the low of the month. Not far below lies the base of a bearish triangle at 30 cents, represented as a black line on the chart below. Bulls are currently halting Stellar's slide towards the 30 cents base. Expect bulls to try to pair this week's losses and position for a retest and break above the ascending trend line, also black on the chart, by next week. XLM price encourages impatient bulls to buy the dip. Stellar price has been on the back foot a bit these past 2 weeks after bulls failed to break the monthly R1 resistance level at 45 cents. Bears then saw their opportunity and started an intermediary downtrend, supported by the black descending trend line. As price traded lower, both the 55-day and the 200-day simple moving averages, SMA, at 36 cents were broken, and a bearish triangle started to form with the historical 30 cents level as a base. XLM price has seen bears caught by surprise this morning as Stellar price buy-side inflows increased. This has caused a knee-jerk response from bears as they see their gains in full almost entirely pared back, even before a first test of the 30 cents base. It looks like bulls will want to try and reclaim both the 55-day SMA and the 200-day SMA at 35 cents by the time of or during the weekend. If XLM price bulls can get a slight lift from some tailwinds or as a result of a few headwinds fading, expect a magnified move higher with a breakout above the black ascending trend line. Then bears will likely get pushed out of their positions, leading to a possible short squeeze up to and against 40 cents. From there, a positive spillover effect from other tailwinds in cryptocurrencies might help lift sentiment in Stellar price back up to 46 cents. XLM price breakout imminent as Stellar's technicals show strength. Price coiling for an explosive move higher. The 3-week Ichimoku chart gives an apparent reason why XLM has had difficulty moving higher. A successful move above resistance could see XLM outperform nearly the entire altcoin market. XLM price has been in a rut over the past 9 weeks. Most frustrating for bulls has been the inability for XLM to reach the 50 cents level. However, that is about to change. XLM price is positioned for one of the most extensive breakouts in the altcoin market. Price has struggled. That struggle is seen on the 3-week Ichimoku chart. For any XLM bull, trader or investor, the 3-week Ichimoku chart can be summed up in one word: ugly. One look at that chart clearly explains why XLM has struggled to make any significant move higher. Consider the following 3-week Ichimoku levels: the 2021 volume profile and their respective price values. 2021 volume point of control: $0.403 week Kijun Sen, $0.433 week Senkou Span B, $0.463 week Tenkan Sen, $0.50. The positive development for XLM price is the threshold it needs to meet to confirm an ideal bullish Ichimoku breakout is easier given how close the Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen and Senkou Span B are to each other. A close at or above 50 cents would fulfill all requirements for a bullish entry. Aggressive traders may even look at a close above Senkou Span B, but below the Tenkan Sen at 46 cents. Utilizing Fibonacci expansions, implied profit target zones can be forecasted. After a confirmed bullish close, the first profit target zone is the 100% Fibonacci expansion at 97 cents. Next is the 161.8% Fibonacci expansion at $1.45. A move to $1.45 would create a new all-time high for XLM price, something it hasn't done in almost 4 years. The bullish outlook could take some time to develop, even in an atmosphere where Bitcoin, Ethereum and other altcoins experience big moves to new highs. This has been the case for XLM price for most of 2020 and 2021. As a result, any close below the 25 cents level for XLM would likely end any further upside potential and cause many traders to abandon it permanently. Stellar Lumens looks promising, but that means little for the XLM coin. The XLM coin has moved higher But the blockchain seems more valuable. Have contended that the blockchain technology that underpins cryptocurrency excites me more than a particular coin. The Stellar Lumens CCCXLM United States dollar partnership with MoneyGram International, Nasdaq MGI, offers further evidence of why. After the announcement, XLM skyrocketed from 31 cents to 36 cents per coin. The altcoin briefly went to 42 cents before settling into its current range around 34 cents. You could say this is just another day at the office for cryptocurrencies, and I might agree with you. There's no question that if you owned XLM the day before the MoneyGram announcement, you've done quite well. However, the MoneyGram partnership is not the first announced by the Stellar Foundation. Nor do I believe it will be the last. I'm more interested in the long-term narrative, and I see that as bullish for the Stellar Lumens Foundation. I'm just not sure what it does for XLM as a coin. Stellar Lumens has a clearly defined use case. I appreciate the simplicity in the use case for Stellar Lumens. The company is taking a situation we can all understand and providing an elegant solution. In the case of Stellar, it allows individuals to make cross-border exchanges of money in seconds as opposed to days, and it does it for less cost. It's like Venmo on a global scale, which I'll admit is exciting to think about. I could send money to someone anywhere in the world and they would receive it in their native currency in almost real time. This is where the company's token, the Lumen, XLM, comes in. I can use US dollars to purchase digital representations of those dollars, i.e. lumens, that I would send via the blockchain. The recipient would receive the lumens and then convert them back to their native currency. Stablecoin's friend or foe? I outline and perhaps oversimplify the use case for Stellar Lumens because of its partnership with MoneyGram. Under the terms of the agreement, the Stellar Foundation will develop a payment bridge that streamlines money transfers. What's less clear to me is if lumens are required for the transactions. I'm thinking the answer is no, and here's why. Stellar also has a partnership with the fintech company LightNet, and LightNet is also collaborating with MoneyGram. Could this be the number one 5G stock to buy? LightNet focuses on addressing the global remittance market in Southeast Asia. This would seem to be an ideal application for Stellar Lumens because it includes millions of unbanked workers who face exorbitant fees to send money home to their families. As LightNet reminds us, the issue of money transfer is annoying to many in the United States. In developing nations, it's a rigged game, and Stellar can help level the playing field. LightNet doesn't require Stellar's native XLM token to make these transactions. This was made clear by Interstellar CEO Mike Kennedy, who said using XLM could be an option, but it wouldn't be necessary since the transactions being made are crypto agnostic. This is because Stellar Lumens supports the use of stablecoins to eliminate volatile price fluctuations. This is an issue that Josh Enomoto referred to in a recent article about Stellar.